Hey, welcome in. Today we're going to be talking about how to go from this to this with just a couple quick settings. If you're wanting to learn how to smooth out those pesky top layers on round prints, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Okay, jumping right in. Whether you've been a longtime 3D printer or you're just getting into this, you have come to learn that top surfaces on rounded objects give us some really rough prints. So we're going to talk about a way to smooth those out, and I'm going to go over a couple settings really fast, and we will then talk about this adaptive layer height. So in this object, I do have this set to 0.28 layer height, which is the biggest they have, because I feel like it'll show the biggest changes as we're going through this process. So other than that, all the standards for this 0.28 millimeter. I'm going to first select this object, and then over here you have variable layer height. And so this is what comes in standard. And depending on how much I want to smooth something out, I can just grab this and say I want high quality, and it's going to instantly smooth these out. So if I were to go and slice this plate right now, we would see everything is the same layer height. Nothing changes. When we come back in here, you'll notice if I don't hit this adaptive button, it doesn't apply what we set. So now over here on the right, I can see that it's a gradual transition from 0.08 to 0.28, and it should help smooth this out. Now, if I want to make any manual changes here, like let's say I think, hey, from here down, maybe from here down, I can go back to that 0.28. I can just right click on this and hold and drag until everything gets to that point. And I pushed everything back to 0.28, and then we get this nice decline in. That'll help speed up your prints a little bit, is by manually adjusting these. Now, if I think, oh, I need to actually go a little further and keep this more gradual, we can do that. And then just incrementally kind of add these in as needed. So now when we slice the plate, we'll see the changes reflected, and we can see the layer height moving up to the top, and we should get something that's quite a bit smoother, especially as we get right into here. We're going to have maybe 5 layers that are going to be a little bit rough versus maybe up to 10, the way we're doing it before. As always, if you found this helpful, go ahead and drop a like down below. If you have any questions, give us a comment, and thanks for sticking to the end. We'll see you next time.